Happy Easter Day. I know some of my customers are on holiday with their family. Enjoy the time with your family. And I want to share this beautiful movie with you guys. Never stop putting your kindness in the world. One day, you'll get it back. Let's watch this beautiful movie. One day, the poor man went to an interview,
Calvin.
but it's just very bad. The boss did not have to move to look at him. And he told the man that he lost everything because of the fire. And the boss gave him $20 to change his style before he came to the interview again. And he finally found a barber shop.
Hello?
And went into the shop.
Have a seat. Thanks. But before you get started, I just want you to know that I don't have much money. What's your name? Calvin. I'm not worried about your money, Calvin. You only looked at me and I was yours. What do you think? I almost forgot what I look like. Thank you so much. Here. This is all I have. No, don't worry about it. I think you need it more than I do. Really? I can't tell you how much I appreciate this. I actually have a job interview today. An interview? Give me a second. When will the sky stop to rain? Please take this. I have to give you something. No, just remember, one day, when you're able to, just pay it forward. I will. I definitely will. Bathroom's in the back. Did I ever meet you in the sun? And when we were both like a brand new man. Wow. I haven't had a haircut in so long. I almost forgot what I look like. Here, this is all I have. No, keep it. I've always believed that the kindness you put out into the world comes back to you. Just remember to one day pay it forward. I promise I will. Marvin Lewis, we had a survey with this eviction notice. It's time to go. No, please. I just need a couple more days to get the money. Well, maybe if you weren't given free haircuts, you'd have the money now. Your time's up. I can't lose my shot. Please, sir, don't do this to me. Sorry. There's nothing I can do. The place just sold anyway, and the new owner should be here any minute. It's okay. You doesn't have to wait. I'm sorry. Who are you? Oh, I'm Calvin. I'm the new owner. Handle it from here. Thank you so much. I'll have the money for rent soon. No, you do not have to worry about it. From now on, your rent is free of charge. What? I don't understand. Why would you do that for me? Because of what you did for me 20 years ago. When will the sky stop to rain? When will the stars start to shine? The kindness that you put into the world will always come back to you. This is your kindness coming back to you. I don't know how I can ever keep. I don't have to. Just never stop.